Hey, what's up internet, and welcome back to another video. I don't know what that was. If you're not yet part of the family, go subscribe to my channel down below. And I always get asked about my YouTube channel, basically about my YouTube videos. So I wanted to make like a bunch of videos answering those questions. So I usually get like how I edit my videos, where I edit my videos, how I edit my thumbnails, my filming setup, and all that stuff. And today I'll be answering what apps I use to edit my videos. I just edit my videos on my iPhone 6s. So I'll be showing you the editing apps that I use that I found useful for my YouTube videos. And if you're interested in that, if you want to know what apps you can download for your YouTube videos, just stay tuned. And don't worry, I'll be making another video for how I edit my YouTube videos, how I use these apps. So stay tuned for that as well. So tayo. Tsaka ilalagay yung sa Thank God meron na nga screen record sa iPhone. Dati kasi dami pa ako na kung ano-ano para sa what's on my iPhone video ko. Plug watch siya din yun. Let's get into the app that I use. The first one, so meron akong videos folder. And then the first app is iMovie, which is a pretty basic like editing app on iOS. And what this is, I basically use this for putting together all the clips. You start a new project. I usually use movie. I never actually use trailer for my videos. And then you can add photos or videos. I just add my videos, like for example, let's say there. So you click the check thingy. So you select that. There's a bunch of clips. And then create movie. And then what I do here is I put together my videos. That is usually the purpose of this. So whenever I edit videos, I go back and forth between apps. You can change transition and all that. Here's another app that I love. It's Vaughn. So load video. When you put in a clip here, you can add text. For example, let's use this clip. Okay, it's still loading. I use this app to add my text to my video. So add text, I can say hello, and you can change the setting. You can change like the size or the curve, like that. Hello. You can add up to 4 texts if you want. You can buy the app for only 100 pesos, pero bibili din ako next time. So yeah, you can add up to 4 texts. And there's also like a transition or how you want the text to enter. You can choose slide, zoom in, zoom out, and all that stuff. So, and then the next app that I use is Filmora Go. And I basically use this for when I add the subscribe button and the like button and my social media accounts. I also use this for some text. I usually just play around with my apps kasi, and this I can add pip. Here's the pip, and you can add like pictures like that. I edit my clips here. You can change the brightness, contrast, saturation, temperature, sharpness, and vignette of it. So I also use Filmora Go for that. There's a lot more to it, okay? You can explore it on your own. Next is Pocket Video. I use this for green screens. And you can actually make reaction videos with this app, but I haven't tried that before. There's actually also really good transitions here. Video sticker, you can add even from YouTube, coming from YouTube, or camera roll. For my vlogs, hashtag hey what's up vlogs is what I use to put in my green screen. So it's like that. And then mask, green screen. And see? There's the hey what's up vlog. So this is basically what I use it for. But there's a lot more things that you can do with this. You can add like sketch here, which is cool. See? That's cool. And so I definitely recommend this. You can play around with it. You can do a lot with this actually. My main editing apps are actually iMovie, Vaughn, Filmora Go, and Pocket Video. And the others are just extra, but I still recommend them. Videolip, I rarely use this. I think I just use this for the glitch. I like the glitch. Like you can add pixelate, so you can blur a face. You have a lot of effects here. I definitely suggest Videolip as well. And Video FX Live. I just have this on my phone, but I can't remember what I use this for. I know there are a lot of effects here as well that you can play around, so definitely check that out too. And then next is Adobe Clip. There's automatic and they're freeform, pero I never really use the automatic ones kasi I like it better pag ako yung gumawa. If you make your freeform, you can edit here like the exposure, highlights, and then shadows. You can play around with that. That's helpful. There's the audio, the speed, and It's very limited, but still I like playing around with the exposure, highlights, and shadows on this app. And then glitch video, I use this as my effects. Usually for my makeup videos or fashion videos, I usually have those glitch effects. So this is what I use for that. I just enter here. I glitch it. You can choose different like glitches type of thing. Like you can choose wave, motion, trip, destruction, split, and it's very fun. This app is very fun, so play around with it. I definitely recommend it. And then video collage, I rarely use this as well, but I still recommend it for putting on like well, video collage. I recommend this for collaging your videos if you want like two things, like different frames. I don't even know what's of collage, kung sino ng collage sa videos nyo. I recommend this app. And that is basically it, all the apps that I recommend. That is it for this video. I hope you found it useful, kahit paano, informative. And tell me if you want to try out those apps. If you have any more questions for me about my YouTube channel, about my YouTube videos, you can comment down below and I will try if I can make a video about it, or if I can just answer you in the comments. That will be great. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below. Share this with your friends and family. That will help me a lot. And don't forget to follow me on all my social media. My Twitter, Instagram, and my Snapchat, of course. It will all be down below. Bye! That was kind of like Liza Koshi. Bye!